Bro, I've been telling you, every time you put in the extra time and effort, it pays off. These showed up at the door today only because I decided to put in the extra time and effort into my knowledge base. This one came from Komodo's Motorcycle Safety Incentive Program. This one came from Sedici's certification program. Let's take a look, see if either one of them makes the Beach City Thunder vibe cut. I think one of them might for sure. Let's take a look at the other one. All right, let's check out the first one. Not bad packaging. Comes in its own helmet bag. See which one this is. I think you gotta mention how fast these came. That's definitely gotta be said. Oh, this slick. Okay, you call me slick in this one, bro. Like it. Oh, look at that diamond stitch with like a nice red diamond pattern. Not a bad looking helmet. Pretty light. I always notice for me, this little nose thingy comes out a lot for a lot of helmets, so kind of one of the first things I check. And then if I got to do any mods or get it painted, I just want to make sure how it comes apart and whatnot. Little carbon fiber buckle. That's nice. Touch. Very cool. Thank you very much, Sedici. Sedici Strada, everybody. Number 3. Now this one, I had to work a little bit harder for. I think you're gonna see why. Let's see what we got. J&P Cycles Dixon party shirts. Hit me up if you need one. I'll get you a discount. I ain't getting you one, but I'll get you a discount. Okay, let's see what we got here. A little bit different look to the box, I can see already. More stickers. If you want some Revzilla J&P stickers, I got a bazillion of these things. Get out if you want some. So this one took me a little bit more work to get. And it's a little bit nicer helmet in my opinion. I mean, it's just a nicer model. It's still a Sedici Strada 3. This one comes with iridescent face shield. And it comes in a little bit nicer of a satchel. Oh, anti-scratch, good thing. This thing is slick. I'm excited for this one, guys. Ooh, very nice packaging. Styrofoam up in there. Careful, I hate styrofoam. Very nice. So far, so good on this selection. Took me a minute to decide what I was going to get with this one. For the other one, you got a couple choices. And I basically got to pick colors. For this one, I got to spend my own money. And I decided to pick this helmet. Because if you guys know me, I wear the Simpson Ghost Forge Bandit. I kind of wanted to see what this helmet was all about. Similar price range, but a couple dollars cheaper. This was the last one. Limited run. One of 1,000. This was the last one to be sold. Very last one. I'm gonna look and see if there's a numbering in there at all. stokes me out, guys. Thank you so much, Komodo. I really enjoy my job, and y'all, let me know if you see me in Sturgis. I might be rocking this, or I might be rocking this.